I can hear them right now. They're right up here. I want to catch these guys. This is starting to tick me off. This could be an all-night affair with these guys somewhere around here. Now I'm just going to slow roll and hopefully they might pop out. I see some lights. Still there. They're still there. I estimate they're about 100 yards away, but I just don't know if I can make it by truck that way. They are right here. They're right across this ridge, this tree line. I hear voices there.